Top 3. Versatile, small driveways, sidewalks, and walkways, eco-sharp technology, exclusive no-fade power and maximum performance, throw distance, 20 feet. Snow Joe's rechargeable 40-volt lithium-ion battery system. The Ion delivers up to 30 minutes of whisper-quiet runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. The Ion starts instantly with a simple push of a button, and its adjustable handle maximizes user comfort during use. Equipped with 2-blade temp-resistant durable plastic auger, the Ion moves up to 440 pounds of snow per minute, clearing a path 15 inches wide by 8 inches deep with each pass. Top 2. The EcoPower Snowblower is the only cordless snowblower that's as powerful as gas. Featuring peak power technology, it combines the power of any two ARC lithium batteries for the power to clear heavy, wet snow. Built with a high-efficiency brushless motor and a 21-inch wide intake, this snowblower can handle what the city snowplow leaves behind. Easily adjust the variable speed auger to control how far the snow is thrown. Top 1. Greenworks Pro 80-volt 20-inch cordless electric snowblower with 20-inch auger width and utilizing the powerful 80 volts lithium-ion power. 6-inch rear wheels make it easy to maneuver. Digital controlled brushless motor for more torque, longer runtime, quiet operation, and longer life. Quickly clear your driveway, sidewalks, patios, etc. with a 20-inch clearing path.